In this series of videos, you'll learn about collectives, large groups of people who are connected by some commonality, like a shared interest, purpose, or motive. They vary in form, structure, and social influence. As you can see here in this figure, examples include audiences, queues, mobs, street crowds, diffusions, trends, and social movements. In general, the relationships between members of collectives are less intimate than those of small groups. Most of the time, they don't know one another before joining, and they don't continue interacting after leaving the group. Most types of collectives are open, meaning members can join and leave as they please. Sometimes they gather in the same physical location, like riots and queues. Other times they're geographically dispersed, like trends and social movements. Most collectives aren't violent, but it can happen if certain conditions are met. Later, you'll explore some of these factors. For now, let's cover the 3 types of collectives and their subtypes.